Everyone, we are doing tenses today and we will learn all the tenses in the form of an index. And today I will use Hindi and English both. Okay, so this is going to be a bilingual class. How many tenses are there? Tell me, all of you.
Three.
Name them.
Present, past, future.
And what are the types?
There are four types: indefinite, continuous, perfect, continuous.
Very good. So there are four subcategories. Now, what we have to learn with me, okay? First of all, we will learn forms of verbs in every tense. Fine? Let us learn the forms of verbs. Learn with me, guys. How to learn? We will do this tense later on. Okay? Let us skip this. We will do this tense later on. And also, we will do the definitions of every tense later on, not now. We will simply learn Hindi identification today. The detailing we are already doing, right? But we are learning, basically what we are learning, the definition of every tense in Hindi or the identification, verb and helping verb. So how many things we are learning? Three things. What are the three things? Helping verb, verb and Hindi identification. That is ID. ID means, in Hindi we call it pehchan, okay, for any lesson. So how many things we are learning? Identification, helping verb and verb. Tell me how many things we are learning?
Identification, helping verb, and verb.
So we will learn it this way later on. So how many tenses we are going to learn? Now 9 tenses. Okay, please. So let us start with form of verb. Okay, we will learn which verb is used in every tense. Now learn with me, all of you. First, second, first. Learn.
First, second, first.
Indefinite tense.
Indefinite.
Present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite. Which verb we use? First, second form, third form. Learn?
Yes.
Very good. Now here, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Which verb we use? First form, first form, first form. Learn, all of you.
First form, first form, first form.
In first line.
First form, second form, third form.
So what is the formula? 1 to 1, 1, 1, 1. Learn with me.
1 to 1, 1, 1, 1.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
And 3, 3 and 3.
And 3 and 3.
What is the formula? 1 to 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3.
1 to 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3.
All tenses, verbs you learned?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now, we will learn helping verb. Okay? Helping verb. Now, in this lesson, what is the helping verb? You learn do, does. Now let us come to helping verb. Here you have helping verb do and does, but it is only for questions and negatives. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now here what is the helping verb? Is MR is the helping verb here. Here what is the helping verb? Has and have. Now learn with me. Do, does.
Do, does.
Is MR.
Is MR.
Has
Has.
Repeat.
Do, does. Is MR. Has.
Now what is the past of do, does? Anybody in the class?
Did.
Yes. Well done. What is the past of is MR?
Did.
Past of is MR.
Yes.
Avantika. Past of is MR.
Was, were.
Very good. Was and were. What is the past of has, have?
Had.
Okay. Past of do does is.
Did.
Past of is am are is.
Was.
Past of has have is.
Had.
Easy. So how to learn is am are was were?
Is a man. Was.
No. Do does did.
Do does did. Is a man. Was. Has had.
Learned.
Yes.
And this is very simple. Helping verbs. Learn with me.
Will. Shall. Will be. Shall. Will have.
Okay. Learn will be will have.
Will be. Will have.
Or shall be shall have.
Shall be. Shall have.
Have you learned verbs and helping verbs?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Now only Hindi identification is left. Alright? So let us begin with Hindi identification. Are you ready?
Yes.
Shall I erase this?
Yes.
You want to write? I'll give you time to write, don't worry. Let us learn this Hindi identification. Okay, I'll just simply write it. Okay? This is Hindi identification. This comes at the end of the sentence. And for females and plurals it changes. So if it is ta hai, then for females it's ti hai, and you keep on changing like that. So we should not repeat this. Okay, just have a look and write it down. I'll write and then you write down with helping verb and verbs. Please write down helping. First of all helping verb, then verb, and then you write down Hindi identity. Sequence: identification, helping verb, and then verb. So now you can start writing. Don't say this. It's okay. I'm writing. Look here now, everybody. This is, I have written identifications for you. Now this is present. Present always means this. You see this? This is present. Look here, Himanshi. Now past. It's always this. Present is always this. Past, there is no need to say that. We are not saying Hindi. We are simply writing Hindi, right? That's just for your understanding. So this means present tense. Everywhere you see this. Now here it is past. It remains same here, right? It also remains same here. Only you have to change this word to this word. Any problem till here, anybody?
No.
Now here, future always means this.
Go.
And there is no need to say this, I'm saying. We are not saying Hindi, right? We have to just see. Fine guys, now this is your time. You have to learn this. Tomorrow you have to make this index without looking anywhere. It's a test for you. Tomorrow you will come here, take out a sheet and then make this index for me.
Okay, sir.
Alright, thank you guys. Thank you.